that he fell from space, from a supernatural place. Mr. Electric Blue, I believe.